Hey everyone, this is Sai Charan from Tech Deep Dive, and I come up with another video. During this COVID crisis, I hope everybody is doing great and staying at home and keeping your families and yourself safe. So, in this video, I will talk about some of the e-learning online platform services who are providing their services for free. So yeah, you can stay at home and skill up. So there are some sites or uh, who are giving their content for free. Among them are Tableau, Python, Pluralsight, ServiceNow, Udemy, and Oracle. So these are some of the links which you can leverage by staying at home and skill up. So let's see. First one is Tableau. They are offering free. Let's take this. Tableau link. So Tableau is offering a 90 days free trial if I'm not wrong. So let me go there and check it. Yeah, so you have to use this code 2020 e-learning to get 90 days free course. So Tableau is giving a 90 days free course for free, so you can leverage this by just applying this access code. And you can go to the steps are very clear here, and it has mentioned over there, and you go to the elearning.tableau.com and create an account and use this, and blah blah blah. So the next one is like Python. You can learn Python from the Harvard education. So to access that link, just click on this link or just copy. Yeah, it's open here. So it by using the edx, Harvard University is providing these codes. So if you don't have an edx account, so just take the just create one account for free, and it is absolutely for free. And I don't think they'll provide. Let me go to this course. So I just clicked on the take course on edx, so it will take you to the edx website. Edx is one more online learning platform. So once you come here, so you can enroll to this course. If you have already have the account, you can sign into that one. Otherwise you can register for one account, and you can take this Pluralsight course. So the price is, it's free. And so if you want a certificate, you need to pay like 7,000 bucks, but yeah, it's up to you guys. So the third one is Pluralsight. So it's one of my favorite. Pluralsight is providing a 1 month entire their courses for free. So if you hit this URL where Pluralsight states that Pluralsight is giving 7,000 plus expert-led videos courses for free. So it's entirely free, and you can get it till I think May 2nd. So just if you already have an account with Pluralsight, just go and check your emails where they'll mention that by using the existing uh, accounts also you can log into this, and you can start using Pluralsight. And yep, it's one of my favorite online learning platform. It has like many useful content. So the next one is the ServiceNow. The ServiceNow is also offering certification to their own product. So let me go to the ServiceNow and hit what is there. Yep. Like any other website, if you don't have any account, create one. So it has 13 hours duration for the ServiceNow fundamentals. If you are interested to learn ServiceNow product, you can leverage this free offering from ServiceNow. The next one is Udemy. Udemy is like another beautiful platform where you can learn courses for a nominal fees. But in this URL, they are giving some of the courses for free, not entire courses for free like how Pluralsight did, but it has given some of the courses for free. So you have the filters. If you want to have only like if you select the JavaScript, it will filter out the JavaScript options only. So based on your requirement, you guys go and check it out what you need to enroll, and just enroll that, and you can you can leverage this. And the last one is Oracle. Oracle is also providing free content, so I'm not sure what the content they are giving, so let me go and check it out. So yeah, he has posted something. Oracle ramps up free online learning and certification from Oracle Cloud Infrastructures and Oracle Autonomous Database. Yeah, I didn't check entire this Oracle, what Oracle is offering, but here is the link, so you guys can go and check it out. So what exactly the Oracle is providing, if anybody is interested in Oracle, so you can start taking leverage of this free content which they are providing. Yeah. So these are all some of the links currently during the COVID-19 situation. These companies are offering their content absolutely for free. So stay home and skill up. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hit a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more content.